Thomas here. Now I am going to discuss our subject name is Corporate Accounting 2. First of all, amalgamation. When two or more existing company into liquidation and a new companies is to take over the business of these liquidation companies. Have a two or more liquidation take place and one formation take place in case of amalgamation. And then next absorption. When one existing companies to take over the business of one or more existing companies, it is called as absorption. No new companies is formed. For example, A limited company and B limited companies, that is called as a absorption. And then next one, external reconstruction. When an existing companies is liquidated and a new companies is formed with the same shareholders to take over its business, it is called as a external reconstruction. See, companies with accumulated losses usually undergo such reconstruction. And then next one, types of amalgamation. There are two types of amalgamation. First one is in the nature of merger. Second one is in the nature of purchase. First one, amalgamation in the nature of merger. All the assets and liabilities of a transfer company become the assets and liabilities of a transferring company after amalgamation. Shareholders holding not less than 90% of the face value of the liquidated shares of the transfer company become equity shareholders of the transferring company. It is a virtual of an amalgamation. And then amalgamation in the nature of purchase. All the assets and liabilities of a selling company maybe not take over. Less than 90% of the selling company shareholders may become of shareholders in the purchasing companies. And then methods of accounting for amalgamation. There are two types of amalgamation. First one, the pooling interest method. Second one, the purchase method. First one, the pooling interest method means under the pooling of interest method, the assets and liabilities of the reserve transfer company are recorded by the transferring company at their existing carrying amount after making following adjustments. And then the purchase method. Under this purchase method, the transferring company accounts of the amalgamation either by the incorporating the assets and liabilities at the existing companies, amount by the allocating the consideration to individual identify assets and liabilities of the transferring company on the basis of the fair value of the date of amalgamation. And then purchase consideration. The purchase price payable by the purchasing company to the selling company for takeover its business is called as a purchase consideration. The purchase consideration may be in the form of cash or debentures. And then there are four types of methods of purchase consideration. First one, lump sum method. Second one, net payment method. Third one, net assets method. Fourth one, share exchange method. First one, lump sum method means the purchase price is to be paid may be mentioned in the agreement directly. The lump sum is here to be taken or as a purchase consideration, eliminating the need of computing. And then net payment method, the agreement between the selling company and the purchasing company may be specify the extra amount payable to the shareholders, debentures holders extra of the selling company in the form of cash or shares and debentures. And then net assets method. Net assets method taken over by the purchasing companies is deemed at the purchase consideration under the net assets method. The formula has agreed value of assets taken over minus agreed value of liabilities taken over. And then if your full details are not given, when a company take over another company or the business of another company, it implies that both of the assets and liabilities of the takeover. And then last one, share exchange method. Here purchase consideration is ascertained on the basis of the ratio in which the shares of purchasing company are exchanged with those of the selling company. The exchange ratio is usually determined on the basis of instructive value method of the respective companies. The formula has assets available for equity shareholders divided by number of equity shares. Today discuss the topic is amalgamation, absorption, types of consideration, types of purchase consideration. Thank you all.